I wanted to show you guys some ramen that we had the other day for lunch. My husband and my daughter went out, and it's just a typical kind of place where you have ramen. My daughter's excited because she likes to put this kind of shredded sesame seed on top of the ramen. But this is just a standard ramen with some meat, some sprouts, chopped up long onion, and mine was miso ramen, and my husband's was just a regular shoyu-based ramen. And then we went ahead and ate some here, and it was really delicious. Usually this kind of a meal runs you about 500 or 600 yen for some ramen, and my husband actually got double noodle in his if you feel like you're going to eat more. Otherwise, you can just get a regular, I think just the regular serving is usually good enough. But that's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.